You have a first baby when you were teenager. How old
Mm.
are you that time? 20?
Nagsama kami ano na ako, 20
No, first baby mo.
at 19.
19, you had a baby with
Mm.
other guy.
Hmm.
Ibang anak yun.
Foreigner.
Foreign guy. Where did you work in the bar before? In Walking Street?
Mm.
Mm. What happened to the father?
Oo, na-run away na rin.
Run away?
Hindi ko na nakita yun.
Did just like Filipino also?
Mm.
So you get pregnant by foreigner and then you never seen him. But though he know you get him pregnant.
Mm.
Yeah, he know. And then what did he say?
Ay, hindi niya alam.
He don't know.
Mm.
Where he from?
Ewan ko na.
You don't know? You don't know where he from? So if you have customer, you don't ask their information?
France. Hindi ko na alam yung pangalan.
France, you don't know his name.
Mm. Kalimutan ko. Matagal na rin din.
Mm. So your daughter is pretty because half foreigner.